Yeah, I bet you ain't never had nobody run up on you with a piece of sourdough bread before. No, but on a real note, this is my first time trying sourdough bread. I got it from a farmer's market, and I saw it, and it was like garlic sourdough, and I was like, ooh, this is interesting. So I've been like munching it up, and I also got some tomatoes from the farmer's market, which were so good, and I never knew how people could eat tomatoes by themselves till I tried those tomatoes. They're so good. So I wanted to make like some eggs with tomatoes and the sourdough bread. I was actually just eating the sourdough bread and the tomatoes themselves. I wanted to do like the full affair with like sizzling it up on the pan and, you know, getting busy. So yeah, this is me making it. Okay, it's not running into jam you. You already know what went down into making this.